Welcome everyone to the most expected video of price prediction for 2024 on Ethereum topic, a cryptocurrency which has not outperformed the majority of altcoins, yet it's still much more stable and having the ability of being conservative around with safety and security on the topic attached as well. So it's not one of those cryptocurrencies where you see 30% moving day by day and then a 60% crash. It is most likely stable, entering into the new phase of the market, talking about a much closer behavior to what does BTC is printing in this bull cycle. So we're speaking about a crypto which is continuously ranked #1 on the altcoins when we talk about this form of crypto, as well a volume that is in the billion sector for the past couple of weeks that have been sitting above 10 billion a day, guys. So this is not a joke. Ethereum is actually having the capability to deliver once it starts its major movements. We're going to talk about in a price prediction form for early 2024 marks. As well, share with you that we have many other episodes on my YouTube channel, daily videos, as well presentations on the topic. Make sure to subscribe and like the videos as well. At the same time, you can join my trades if you think this is something you would actually be interested. No prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made, where we are basically performing a trade through API trading permission, and you pay the commission every 7 days. So we have basically two options available. Like I said, option number 1 is no prior fee. Option number 2 comes in with signals and monthly fixed fee. Now at the same time, we have basically the coaching program, something extremely important for people considering the crypto space as a serious opportunity to become financial free. In order to achieve that, you need a high level of skills and education. I'm going to talk about this one-on-one coaching program at the end of the video, guys. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you enjoyed this material, and share this with your community and friends. Now, let's talk about the daily charts for the Ethereum price prediction 2024. A situation here that is very, very healthy, guys. We've been able to get out of a major supply zone, and this is coming in with a successful confirmation. The successful confirmation appears right there in yesterday's candlesticks and today's candlesticks on board, situating with a rejection on $2,100 applied by the bulls against the bears, forming a long wick on the candlestick right there, generating the signs of a strong bullish pressure appearance. What is the next target and what are the next things that we need to achieve? Not before that, I'd like to mention we have been clearing the golden pocket area very nicely and pushing into the supply, which did not generate any form of a strong pullback from there, right? So the pullback was extremely minor, showing the fact that the community that enjoy believing the crypto space is going to die has been wiped out, has been already liquidated at that point. They have been sort of away stopped out, liquidated, and their resources are drained. So there's less and less people in the markets shorting the cryptocurrencies at a time they keep increasing non-stop. Now, what do we have to speak about the upcoming months, early 2024? Well, first of all, we need to deal with a difficult area of the supply, which is a conjunction of the 2,500s round number, as well the 1.272 extension, which in this case scenario is going to play an important role. The upper extension level, the red one, the 1.41, is not going to be heavy at all, yet the 3000 level at 1.618 as well is going to be heavy, guys. So there's two marks that we need to consider for early 2024 is the $2,500 and $3,000, which are backed up by major resistance appearance from the past. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to share with you in this couple of minutes. I'm filming the entire technical analysis that results the current picture you see, which is still at a level of beginners, in order to have everyone understanding the material and make sure they perform on the markets by having the knowledge. Therefore, those are two targets that I still consider as a minor phase. I mean, considering the 3000, that's not a small target, 35%. That's a decent one. And the way Ethereum has been moving, you cannot expect 35% in a day. We didn't have that one in a while, and it's not that kind of a crypto to do those numbers anymore. If you would like, so we have other videos about other cryptos that are in a different category of volatility, and then that's where you can expect such things. But after we are completely going to achieve that, I'm still considering to apply something, the moving averages. Moving averages are having a great perspective in the way they are sitting at the moment, considering that the fork pattern of the moving averages is beautiful and it's just bullish, right? So the way they're structured, also the small distances in between the moving averages, is also a great sign for the way the market is structured. 20 days moving average, the red one, has been holding us, and ultimately the 50 days has been reacting very well at that time. So overall speaking, we're just about bullishness in the way Ethereum looks like for the moment. Another thing that I'd like to share with you is targets even higher than $3,000, such as the number 2 and the round Fibonacci right there, which is obviously a level that has to be attacked, but the attacking point will not happen sooner than passing the first 3 to 4 months. So it will be a difficult time as well, due to the fact that the markets will represent a stage of retracements, which is not going to be just a day or two. It can easily last weeks, up to 1 or 2 months in this rally that we're performing. Until you get into the accelerated phase, which is going to be the second part of 2024, well, you will see Ethereum going 20-25% in a day. Well, until you get to that point, there's going to be selling pressure as well existing, which is not going to be always minor. The 3,500 and the 4,300 are two levels that I'm looking to see achieved by 2024 as major and high targets. I mean, the 4,300 level is almost very close to the all-time high, which is around $4,900. We have not crossed $5,000 for the Ethereum back in the day. However, what is very, very important this time is to get to 3,500 and have the year ending above $3,000, which I don't see it as a big deal at all, considering the current price, to finish 2024 above $3,000, because in this way you can easily print another 5x in 2025. So get us above $3,000, which can easily mean $3,500, $3,800 level, around that range on an average. You can also test 4,300, but it's going to be difficult to situate yourself around the all-time high during the upcoming year. Therefore, we are pretty conservative on the approach when it comes down to the Ethereum, but there's also the other perspective, the opposite perspective, which will easily say that we're going to touch the all-time high and instead of a way tested, but as well claiming a breakout of the all-time high in 2024. There is the other version on the table as well that sits with less probability at the moment. Things can change in the upcoming months depending how well do we perform on the Ethereum's case. That's all, folks, on this presentation. Once again, if you'd like to be part of the trade, so you can definitely do it. This is a day trade that we're performing. You can jump on board. You see our trading spreadsheet to find out more on the topic. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Option number 1 is no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. Quite simple. Now, let me talk to you about a coaching program, just like I said, for anyone that is interested in utilizing the opportunity of the crypto space to hit financial freedom. Then you need a proper level of education at a professional skill, which means that whether you are a part-time, full-time, beginner, advanced, intermediate, it doesn't matter. You have a specific level that we can work on to scale it to a much better, much more efficient activity at the end of the day. So this is a coaching one-on-one with me, where I'll take you by hand and sort of a way teach you how to trade. Take it to the next level if that's the case, by sharing with you my screen and making you understand what does the market communicates with you. We talk about concepts, strategies, indicators, we explain all the things that we're doing, and we share the fundamentals behind the system and the mechanism of the actions. At the same time, we have exercises, homework, live trading, and everything that is substantial, including discussion correlated with mindset and mentality, psychology, and so on. So it's a very complex coaching program, which is why I work one-on-one in order to make sure that the person becomes a successful person. That's it, guys. Register now to find out more on it, qualify for a free conversation with me, and jump on board. I'm looking forward to it. Have a great time.